Hello, my name is Michael Masucci, and I'm a systems engineer for Belden. Today it is my distinct pleasure and honor to share with you information on a new product of ours, our ECX cassette. This ECX cassette is part of our ECX family of a fiber patch panel, Enterprise Closet Cross Connect. This particular patch panel family comes in a 1U, 2U, and a 4U configuration. Two of these cassettes or two of these adapter frames will populate a 1U patch panel, 4 of them in a 2U patch panel, and 12 of them, because we're going to stand them like books on a bookcase, will populate a 4U patch panel fully. So today I'm really going to spend most of my time on the cassette itself, and we have other videos, YouTube videos that you can watch that address the patch panel. There's some really neat features of this patch panel that I highly encourage you to become familiar with because you will love them. This fiber cassette also has some neat features, so I'm going to give you just a snapshot overview of some of those features. And I'm going to start with the fact that it's a 2-piece cassette, unlike most of our competitors with 3-piece cassette. The neatest thing about this is the reduction of potential fiber pinch points, and so that's really a big advantage over other designs. So you can see my fiber cable enters on the bottom here. I secure it with a tie wrap and loops it around a few times for strain relief purposes. And then the actual cable entry point inside the cassette is up here, and you can see where the jacket is severed right there, leaving me with the buffer tubing material that it also goes around a few times in coils for strain relief purposes. And then ultimately the fiber comes out of the buffer tube here, and it goes to where it will eventually be joined with a fusion splice with the pigtails. The pigtails originate here with these LC connectors on the bulkhead frame. The LC pigtail also is looped around up here for strain relief purposes, ultimately to be fed to the other side of this housing where we will do the fusion splice. So just be aware that this gray material, these fiber fusion holders, come with this cassette. However, the heat shrink tubing material does not come with the cassette. So be aware that you'll have to add that as another line item on your bill of materials. But it's a really elegant solution with regard to the way we mate via pigtails and fusion splice to a cable. Or we can do this with splice-on connectors as well. So if you haven't seen Belden's new Fuse-on Splice connector, I highly encourage you to view that on YouTube as well. Very simplistic design, very robust optically speaking design. You can use that in conjunction with this product as well. So again, very simple design, simple, and that's part of its elegance. Port numbering on the side here, release tabs top and bottom. Those release tabs allow you to insert this cassette from the front backward or from the back frontward. By the same token, adapter frames can be done the same way. They are also numbered by the port. Again, the release tabs on these, top and bottom, same situation. Can insert backwards or frontwards, your choice. There are 3 stop points built into the rails. By the way, interestingly enough, on this panel, the rails come with it, unlike our competitors where you have to buy the rails separately and mount them yourself and more line items and more pieces to worry about. Ours is a very forward-thinking design, and that's one of the benefits. The other neat thing about these frames is that it's a keystone-style footprint, which means I can put any copper products into the same footprint. Anything that's a keystone-style jack will fit into this, which in turn means that I can make this fiber optic patch panel a multimedia patch panel, not just a fiber patch panel. So I can put copper and fiber in the same patch panel, which can save you a lot of time, a lot of money. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. Please go visit www.belden.com or Belden Vid on YouTube for the Belden video channel. You'll find all sorts of additional educational, informative videos, and you'll learn a lot more about products and solutions from Belden. Thank you very much.